Guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am going to talk about a very special product. So if you guys are interested in watching, make sure you are subscribed, and without any further ado, let's get started. So in this video I am talking about the very famous champagne pop by Becca Cosmetics. If you don't know, Becca has recently launched on Nykaa and they have a ton of products, and out of which I picked up this one. This is the Becca highlighter in the shade Champagne Pop. Now Champagne Pop is one of the, what should I say, most popular shades and highlighters of Becca Cosmetics. Although बहुत ही expensive है, the thing which I have got, it's a mini one and still I got it for 1500 rupees. So I am going to talk about, is it worth the hype? Do you really need to invest in this one? So I am going to show you and tell you what I think about this. So now it also had the bigger one which I did not pick up. I picked the smaller one because of course it is so expensive. How can I get the bigger one? So मैंने सोचा let me try the smaller one. In fact, I also got Becca illuminating primerizer. I'm not sure of the name, but I also got that, but I don't have it right now. So I'm just going to show you this. So yeah, it comes in a packaging like so, like it is so super cute. It's very small. I must show you. So can you see, it is so small, and then when you open it, it looks like something like this. It looks super duper cute according to me, if you ask me. Now let us swatch the shade. Now it is like butter, and this is the highlighter which I am wearing today as well. Now when I swatch it now, it is so finely milled. It does not feel as if I am applying anything. It is so, can you see? And I am not feeling anything, and it has never happened with me in any of the highlighters. Even the K Beauty one is also a little bit, I would say, a little bit hard, but this one, oh my god, it feels wet. Actually it feels wet on your skin. Like I am going to show you once more. I'm just going to apply with my fingers only, and I'll show you what it feels like. So do you see, it appears to be wet on your skin. Now like here also I have applied it, but I have controlled the intensity, but here I have applied it with my fingers. Let me show you. So can you see, it feels as if you have applied a liquid highlighter or illuminator, but you are applying this one. So very happy with this one. I don't own anything like this. Now this is going to be my favorite, new favorite. I really love the K Beauty one as well, but K Beauty one is not this finely milled. I mean, this is like purely love, I would say. I mean, I can't believe, I mean, this is super duper good. It is very expensive. I agree with you guys that this is really expensive, and this might not suit your pocket. So if you are someone who is a makeup enthusiast or who is contemplating whether should I buy or not, so I'll tell you to buy it, because it is really amazing, and it is worth the buy. It is worth the hype. That's what I feel. Although again I'm saying it is expensive, and the color of this one is like champagne gold type of color. I mean, like the name suggests, champagne pop. It is mixture of champagne and gold color. It's such a beautiful color. Now it is going to suit a lot many skin tones, and I literally don't have anything like this in my collection. I have the Maybelline Molten Gold, I have the Wet n Wild, I have the K Beauty one, I have the what was that, Makeup Revolution one, but nothing is comparable to this. And this really is an high-end product, and the packaging and everything is really cute. I mean, even if it's a very small thing, but still you are having a mirror in it. So yeah, I feel it is very cute. So yes, that is about it. That was about my short review. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know how you guys liked it. If you have this highlighter with you, let me know how you like it, and are you going to buy this one? So I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, you guys take care, and I love you guys a lot. Bye bye.